Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss why you are having a black spot or black patch on the screen and if you can fix it. So you can see here the phone has some kind of black patch right here. It's supposed to be very nice and bright, so I'm going to put up the maximum brightness right here. So that's on low, that's on high, and when on high you can see the center here is very bright, up here a bit dark, and down here a little bit dark on the edge here. So if I go into settings, you can see in settings it's kind of dark right now. Now the problem with this screen is it is an original Apple screen. However, the LCD beneath the glass, seems to be faulty, and now it's causing a black patch right here. It's not totally black, it's just kind of like darkish colors. It should be nice and bright, not dark like this. And the problem is because the LCD is damaged. Now unfortunately this is something that you cannot just simply fix by a software update. You will need to replace the screen. You can either put up with the dark screen or you have to replace the screen. You can go to a mobile repair shop or to Apple Store to replace it. Now I will show you what it's supposed to look like if it's a good screen. Now if we just take a look at this screen right here. So I just go into settings. So this is settings. You can see over here on the corner it's not very I'm going to put up the brightness right here. You can see the colors, the different colors in two different phones. One over here is really bright. You can see right here. If I put it like this, you can see I'm going to increase the maximum brightness on this one as well. And you can see here, this is kind of dark blue. This is whitish color. It's a cold white color. And there it is. And if we look carefully down here at an angle, you can see there are some damage to the LCD. Right here, and a bit of damage right here as well around this part. So the screen is damaged. And I have opened up this one already so we can see what's underneath. Now this is the 6S screen, and this is another iPhone 6 LCD. It is white iPhone 6, where you can see the screen again is bright, so evenly white colors. This one here in the middle is white, and around the edge here is getting dark. I just accidentally tapped on the update button, so it's updating. So this is also a replacement CD, an aftermarket LCD. You can see this one here have a few white patch around here, and it's also a little bit darker than normal. So this one here is a lot brighter, as you can see, between the three different LCDs. This one is the darkish, this one is a bit lighter, and this one is the brightest color. So if you have a problem like this, it is a hardware problem. There's nothing that you can do to actually fix inside the software. You can try to increase the brightness, but after increasing it to the maximum, and if it's still dark, then it is still dark. There's nothing much you can do about it. If we move this one up, you can see the LCD right here. That's the lighting. So if we turn it off, I'm going to turn it off, and I'm just going to remove it. And I'm going to put in another LCD. So we turn this one on and have a look. The screen is broken on this one here, but still we can see that it works fine. You can see it is nice and bright. So compared to this one, now this one is very bright. So it definitely has something to do with the LCD. Sometimes the board can cause an issue. Sometimes even the board can cause black patches on the screen on the LCD. But in this particular case, in most cases, when you have a black patch on the screen, it is the screen that needs replacing. So if you do have a problems, normally you can either use it like that, or you can replace a new screen to make it easier for you to look on the screen. So it's not too much eye straining. And that's it. So in this video I just want to discuss the issues if you have a black patch on the screen. This is not a replacement screen video, so I'm just discussing the issue with you. If you do want to replace the LCD, and if you want to have a go at replacing the LCD yourself, you can look at my other videos on how to replace the iPhone 6 screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.